View of shifter and assembly components. View of OEM toe and heel shifter before installation of the New Way shifter. Step 1. Remove footboard, toe, and heel shifter levers, engine guard bolt, and top left side bolt of Jiffy stand mounting bracket. Step 2. Install shifter bracket upshift lever using supplied bolts, nuts, and lock washers. Use OEM washer and nut at engine guard. Temporarily move footboard bracket to the left while installing bracket. Step 3. Install downshift lever, the OEM lever that was removed, by rotating 180 degrees and placing at the same angle above the footboard. Install shifter peg on left side of lever. Step 4. Install new shift lever at approximately 2 degrees above footboard. Step 5. Install Heim linkage to connect new shift levers by using supplied hex socket, button head bolts, lock washers, and nuts. Leave top nut loose for later adjustment of upshift push lever. Downward view showing Heim linkage connected to levers. Step 6. Reinstall footboard and foot peg on shifter. Shorten or lengthen the Heim linkage by removing top bolt to position upshift lever to desired location. Reinstall bolt and nut. Double check and tighten all connections before riding. Completed assembly. Another picture of completed assembly. An additional view of completed assembly. Foot in riding position. Ready to downshift using inside downshift lever. Downshifting position. Note upshift lever just touches underside of boot. If desired, you can adjust upshift lever using Heim linkage so it will not come in contact with your boot. Upshifting position. You do not have to lift your heel to either downshift or upshift. The New Way shifter is the easiest, safest, and most comfortable way of shifting. Back to riding position. It only takes a few miles to realize the benefits and enjoyment of riding with the New Way shifter.